We know you want to grow on YouTube, and here's a guy that can teach you how.
Hey TubeBuddies, what's going on? My name's Joshua Wethington, and I just partnered with TubeBuddy to help you guys learn how to grow your channels. TubeBuddy is an amazing tool that allows us to do a lot of research, do A/B testing, and take the time out of channel management. But every once in a while, you just need an outside opinion to sit there and look at your channel and answer the questions that you have in your head. And we're gonna take the time, do a 1-hour consultation. I'm gonna look at your channel, figure out what's working, what's not working, and more importantly, what are your goals? Like, do you want to grow subscribers? Do you want to make money? And we can figure out how to get you there in a 1-hour consultation that we can just sit down and do one-on-one.
That is awesome, Joshua. And one thing I want to say, and you were talking about being from the outside, so what are some outside sources that you bring to the table? So how did you get started in kind of YouTube consultation?
So traditionally, I'm a filmmaker. I went to film school and I was doing online video and streaming video before Netflix was even doing that.
Wow.
Like way back in the day. Yeah.
Back when it was DVD?
Yes. DVD was the thing in our industry, and I was working for companies where we were figuring out how to shoot online video and stream it on websites. And then as that kind of grew up, I figured out all of our clients were just taking the stuff that we were shooting and putting it on YouTube kind of around 2010. So I started to learn what is YouTube, you know, like how are my clients using it and how I can better serve them by learning about the platform before the Creator Studio was even around. So I have years and years of knowledge, and then I just started a video production company. I did a YouTube agency for a few years, and for the last year and a half, I've actually been doing one-on-one consultations with creators because I wanted to move away from brands and figure out like what are the problems that creators are having, you know, what are your issues and what insight can I bring to that. And I was actually working with video creators for a year and a half, serving Tim's audience and doing that, and now I want to help the TubeBuddies.
And I love hearing that. And what you did was essentially you saw right at the cusp of the traditional and digital age. As a creator, you thought, we always focus on brands, but no one's focusing on the creator, and I love the fact that you're doing that, and I'm so happy to have you here at TubeBuddy with us, Joshua. Joshua, you have so much value. I can't believe that you are here with us. It's just such a high, and I'm having fun just speaking with you. It's been great getting to know you. Guys, Joshua has an amazing service. How can they learn more about it?
Well, actually, guys, just click the link down in the description below. If you're on my website, just click down below, and you can start booking me right now, and we can get working on your channel.
And that's not just YouTube consultation, it's also how to use TubeBuddy. So if you've ever had a question on that, Joshua's got your back. Joshua, thank you so much. High five?
High five.
All right, now he won't judge me for bad slates, but if you want to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, consider subscribing to TubeBuddy. That was actually a lot of fun.
That was the weakest clap.
Go ahead and show me how it's done.
This is how we do it.
Ooh, that's a better clap.
Dude, that's a clap before we even had those things.
We will know.
Word vomit.
No joke.